Right, got a video here for you. Only just heard this. It was a tremendous noise from the sky in the UK, northwest England, and heard this really loud sound from the sky. Could be mistaken for a really low aircraft, but don't think it is, the way it kind of switches on and off. Could feel this vibration as well, right through my body. Quite startling to say the least. And then the dog barks, so the dog's feeling it as well. Plus my girlfriend's dog's been off tonight as well, outside barking. So there's something in the air tonight, and this was the sound I heard. Oh, listen to this. What on earth?